ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your Nebraska Cornhuskers.
A top 25 team was in the Devaney Center on Friday night as the Nebraska women's basketball team hosted the 23rd-ranked USC Trojans. The Huskers jumped out to an early lead with an 11-2 run to begin the game. Sophomore Jordan Hooper led the charge with a couple of baskets early. Hooper finished the first half with 16 points and 7 rebounds as Nebraska took a 35-22 lead into the locker room. In the second half, junior Lindsey Moore took over with 20 of her 22 points coming in the final period, leading the Huskers to a 68-50 win. Both Hooper and Moore finished the game with 22 points, and Hooper completed a double-double with 13 rebounds. True freshmen Haley Sample and Emily Cady helped Nebraska's cause with 10 boards apiece. The Huskers improved to 3-0 on the season, while USC falls to 1-1. After the game, Nebraska head coach Connie Yorey says she saw something from her team that she hasn't before.
I thought what was good and what exciting is that we've been a team that has relied so much on scoring, and I didn't know if we could guard as well as we did today, and I didn't know we could rebound as well as we did today. And we've been, harping on our kids about being a better defensive team and being a better rebounding team, and they really came to play.
Yorey says that what she liked even more was the way in which the Huskers handled the Trojans.
This isn't a surprise that we beat USC by any means, because I felt like we could based on what I knew of us and what I knew of them. But it's, I didn't expect to beat them by 18 and have a 20-point lead for, portions of the second half.
Nebraska will be back in action Monday night in the Devaney Center as Savannah State comes to town. Tip-off is set for 7:05.